alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to my Munasar kitchen. Today I'm gonna cook okra soup. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillah mon my Munasar kitchen and then on different soup kind. Okay. I'm gonna use white rice, and with the fufu. My favorite is okra soup is white rice. But soup kind badam hen ko nyankata wad hen kadi fufu on packet of marinade. That's my meat lamb. Dumdo damulam dumdo tew, mashallah. And my cassava, dumdo ko nyambi. And my okra, dumgo kanje. My two magi, kilmesingaji. My tomato paste, putu jit tamat, locut, and my salt, lamdam, and my shrimp, sipa, and my crab, sipa ka langusa jiko mkitu silti, and my curry powder, curry powder, my red pepper powder, chondi kind, my ginger powder, chondi ginger, my black pepper, chondi powder, and my palm oil, duty, my dry fish, geje dupad, and my one onion, half onion, fetcher onion, and my two hot habanero pepper, and my canage, and my bell green pepper, cani poboro, my parsley is parsley, parsley, and my soble, and my green onion, my fresh fish lidi catch, and my dry skin, and yet. Okay, now I'm gonna start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I'm gonna put my palm oil and bottom water and duty ramo. I put about 2 cup palm oil, but me don't mount kopuji did duty. Mount jerumunda. Jonum hip ha boy ha wula, and then what the hen tail. I'm gonna cover when it's warm, and I'm gonna put the meat. Now my palm oil is warm. Never duty ram wuli John. Now I'm gonna put my meat. But over the hand teungu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Teungu so free apparently put what the hand tamat. If I put the meat, and after the meat you cook, and I put the tomato paste. And okra soup also, if you don't want to fry the meat with the palm oil, if you don't want warm, you can put the water first, and after that you put the meat. But if you want to put the tomato, you have to put the palm oil warm, and you fry the meat. Sari what the soup kanyo, kako monjida kwa ten tomato. I will not do it again. Apara dili mao tala tiu mangu put that what the head never. Then just all the cook after. Okay. I Nitali tiu never or tiu. Then what an hip ha atamat the ferret. See, I fry the meat. I have to cover them, and when it's the cook, and I put tomato. Okra soup anyway you can do. You can, if you can, like I said last time, you can fry the meat. And you can warm them palm oil, you can put water first. Yeah. Next time I'm gonna cook like that without tomato, just all the palm oil soup, okra soup. One day mami what soup kanji tawala tamat put tala put one day jomu wa fam and jomu hip hard boy apare me what tamat. I'm gonna cover later, and again by like 5 minutes. Oh yeah, and then I put in tomato. What I have, you put them how 5 minutes. Apparently, food mintage. Then food what get put now my tomato. June, but I want to get tomato. you like soup kang?
Me?
Yeah.
Not with
Husband, you like soup? Soup kang? Can you say soup kang? Soup kang in Pulaar. Soup kang. Maafe kang. Okay. I'm gonna come in for like 6 minutes. Do a mintage jego pare. You put the water hand. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my onion. My cameraman is I like onion. I'm gonna cut the onion, but some mintage and soblet. And then I'm gonna blend it my things, and yams. Okay, Baba, don't worry, I'm gonna do fast. Okay, it's not gonna be hard to me. But I'm tired, I'm not gonna ruffle. Blend it. Yes. And my bell green pepper. Oko kari povero. My parsley, persa. My black pepper. My pepper.
And what it cooking today?
Cooking okra soup.
Soup?
Yes. I'm gonna put a little bit okra and blend it or make it tasty. But what I eat a kanji then what I said unde and put soup kanjo wa lalu di seda. No padu tonta. So jignos chondi kanji apare mami dumnin hen. Okay. What I just said I'm gonna put a little bit worse in there.
So you adding water?
I'm adding water. Okay, now see. All right. And then now I'm gonna put my shrimp and crab in here. Yeah, I'm gonna put my shrimp and my crab. See? But what is super high? Lamgu nanda super high. Super kind, super kind. I have one my son. He needs crab and shrimp. One my son. The old boy, the big boy didn't want it. Okay. All right, I'm going to put my fish, put my blending onion and everything in here. But he had no cost. No. Sorry, I miss showing you guys camera when I put my killing season and for them yeti hold illuminating tell me illuminating. Okay, my dry fish, my onion, my meat. Give me my okra. Alright.
Go.
Okay, my okra. Panjam get together. Ooh, somebody get missing. Amadou and Abdul. They want a soup, okra soup. Who can eat okra soup? Okay, what the hell I'm done? Salt. By 2 spoons. Salt. And add water.
Go.
Okay, I'm gonna add water by like a 3 cup. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. But I'm not gonna be putting all of them in the water. I have to be sure my soup can my okra soup. My okra soup. Mix it for some eat. Have them. And I think it's gonna be little bit. Okay, in half. Okay, now I'm gonna cover after 30 minutes or 35 minutes, and then I'm gonna make sure if it's ready. Good. Now I'm gonna go to boil my cassava for the fufu. I'm gonna put my cassava. I'm gonna boil in this machine. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Boil for the fufu. I'm gonna put water.
Go.
Okay, I'm gonna boil. I'm gonna put more.
Go.
Gonna cover. Put a minute. 4. Okay, my okra soup ready. Okay, my okra soup ready. I'm gonna go do my fufu. Okay, now I'm gonna mix my fufu. I don't have big one, but this one is all. Yeah. My cassava. What a fufu amo, what I'm doing. See, my fufu ready. I do. And here I'm gonna mix it with my hand. I wash my hand already. Put a little bit of oil and regular oil, and then in the fufu. And after that, when I'm done, and I put 4 in the. It look like it's a half cup, and then I'm gonna put it in the micro after I fix it. It's fufu, cassava fufu. Oko nyambi, pas numi nyambio. Pas numi nyambio kasi. Fufu, fresh fufu, cassava. I used, like I do tell you before, I used to do rice with white rice, but I know fufu is favor a lot of people. That's why I'm gonna get fufu and I'm gonna put in here, put in the micro for 5 to 3 minutes. 5 minutes to 3 minutes. See my fufu. Okay. See. I'm gonna wash my hand and I put the pepper.
1, go.
Okay, and put the vegetable oil. That's why I make a mistake. I say regular oil, but it's vegetable oil. And then I'm gonna put this on in 5 minutes and or 3 minutes and fufu done. John Bodo what I micro 5 minutes to 3 minutes maybe. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put to 5 minutes. Just 5. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Now okra soup. Okra soup is ready. The soup kanyo Johnny Parry. Please subscribe, like the video, share with your friends and your family. Tinno de bade abonné ngebon den no bondonen. Bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.